So if an investor came to you and said, what is your net dollar retention? You wouldn't be able to show them this table because that doesn't give them one number. They want to know, okay, how well are you retaining customers? So here is how to look at your overall company-wide net dollar retention and to weight it based on the overall revenue of each cohort. So here's how I would do it. So in month 0, you would just take the revenue divided by the revenue, so it would be 100%. In month 1, what you do is you would take all of the recurring revenue you have and just divide it by the prior month and ignore January because that revenue has not had a chance to recur. So in month 2, use the same strategy. So you take all of the revenue that you have, so that's January through November, and then you divide it by those exact same cohorts. So as you move forward through time, you have slightly less data for your older cohorts, but you just need to make sure that you're dividing your overall revenue that you have in that month by the initial cohort months. So you'll see that your net dollar retention as of month 5 was 104%, 104%, 112%, and we have less and less data as we move through time, but your 12-month net dollar retention, which is generally the number that investors are looking for, is 113%. So a lot of people ask me, okay, so how do I continue to calculate it through time? So let's put in some sort of dummy data. Let's say this is then 23,000, this is 30,000. You basically just need to roll this formula forward. So what you would do if you have more than 12 months of data is you just continue to use this strategy. So you take your total recurring revenue that you had in that month and you just divide it by the revenue from 12 months prior. So if you do this, you would continuously get a 12-month net dollar retention, and you can just drag this formula forward and just make sure that every month where you sum up the recurring revenue, you divide it by the total recurring revenue from those cohorts from 12 months before. And that gets you an overall top-down company net dollar retention that you can use through longer periods of time. Okay, so I hope this video helped you understand net dollar retention, why it's so important, and how to calculate it. As always, in the description below, you can download this Excel template completely for free. Also, if you want me to teach you everything I know about finance for startups in a small group with personalized support from me, check out the link in the description below for a chance to join the next cohort of my training program, Finance for Startups. And if you found this content valuable, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.